everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you all for jumping in. Wherever you are tuning in, this is your friend, your sister, Mary Anwaje. Thank you all for jumping in. I really appreciate you all for jumping in. So, guys, for jumping in today. I just want to discuss with you that I just want to tell you a little bit of my business. I just want to encourage someone out there. I just want to discuss with you that, my dear brothers and sisters, there is something you can do, and there is something big you can do. Don't just give up on yourself. If no one encourage you like this music I am playing, encourage yourself. If no one appreciates you, appreciate yourself. Guys, I love everyone that is tuning in. Please, as you tune in, just share, just click the share button so we can change life out there and we can save life out there. I just want to tell you that there is opportunity going on in my company. There is opportunity that the company is offering everyone that is ready to build extra income, everyone that is ready to get extra income, everyone that is ready to get to add to what he or her have. So my company is offering everyone that once you are 18 years up to age, you have the right, and then you have the opportunity in my company. You are out there in one company working for 5 years, 6 years. There is no promotion. All they do, okay, as far as you have been working here, maybe at the end of the year or at the end of, they will just show you, give you a token. That is not what you pray for. You work in that company, you will retire in that company, then you'll be hoping for pension in one company. Guys, how long? Now, before we all say it's 50 something, now it's 60 something. You just want to serve someone at 60 something years. You will just be serving one company, using all your effort, using your brain, your sense, everything you got to just help someone to build his or her dream. No, let's just use our number 6 here, my brothers and sisters. You can do it. You can own your own company. With this business, you can achieve your own company. In this business, you can own your own empire. I am telling you, they said that Roman Empire we are here for is not built for a day. It takes time. So you are in that company, highest salary you receive in that company, highest salary is 1,500 or 2,000. Let me just say 2,000. 2,000, inside that 2,000, you will remove your light bill, water bill, house strength, and you will pay tax. You have family back home. Maybe you are a married man, or you are a wife that is working and your husband doesn't have job. You are the one working because you have the opportunity for the job, and you are the one working, supporting the family as well. So what at the end, what is your benefit? How much are you able to save? How much are you going to save after all these expenses? guy, you are not saving anything. You will not have anything to save because the children, you will take care of the children inside that same salary. But this is my business. Even if you are doing full-time, you are doing part-time job. This my business will help you get extra income. That, oh, if they pay me 1,500 or 2,000 from here, this company, I will get at least 500, 600, 1,000 from this company, 300 from this company. It's something. I have a lot of people out there. They cannot even afford a meal, daily meal. They cannot afford it without the government, without their husband, without people around them, without someone they put hope on them. They put hope on, oh, with this person now I can eat. This person just promised me. I'm just hoping let him or her able to send the money. And you get this opportunity going on social media. You just fold your hand. Wetin these people they do, self, I beg you. Every time they go, no. These people are the ordinary ladies, ordinary men like you, ordinary women like you, married women that people call them ordinary, and they are doing extraordinary on social media. Yeah, you are still there washing. You won't still hear when the thing they knock for your door every second. What kind of human being are you? Now we don't want to live ignorant world anymore. I am telling you, before we leave that world, I don't care. I beg you, go come now. I gotta go bring corn now. Hey, I gotta go bring corn now. If I gotta bring corn, we eat. If you not bring it, children go stay here for hungry. Men, you are not punishing that children. You are punishing yourself because you know why? You can't even talk where your mates are talking. You can't even cough where your mates are coughing because you don't have that thing when they have. Don't just leave all the whole effort for your husband. Don't just leave everything for your husband. Guy, get up and work. Get up and look for that extra income. I know many ladies have 4 children, 3 children, 2 children. They have like 3 kids, 4 kids, 2 kids, 5. If you know you can't work, there is something you can do. That is when this my business coming. If you know you can't work 8 hours, like me, to be honest with you, I don't advise any lady that have already gave birth to work 8 hours. Even if you haven't give birth, 8 hours, you will everything inside you are killing yourself. Gradually, you are dying gradually inside you. Because do you know what it takes? 8 good hours, and maybe they take a break, 30 minutes or 1 hour, and you will work for 7 hours. Man, no now. It doesn't work that way. You don't work. That is when they say this person he work. I not fit eat waiting he work because you know why? Anybody don't condemn. Anybody don't die when he want to enjoy waiting he work. And we have a lot of people that is doing that job. They cannot take care of themselves. They cannot eat better food. If you are not gonna let them buy better thing put for body, they go say they won't wear maca. Now maca can I be waiting you eat inside your body? Maca cannot be food. Wetin you eat, the good food you eat inside yourself matter than that marker when you dey go buy. Not be to where make people see. Now wetin you eat inside you na matter. How you take care of your system na matter. How you take care of your health na matter. So if you are that woman in that tight corner that say, oh, without my husband I no fit live. Without the country where I dey, if they not pay me I no go fit live. Men, many countries are going down for financial. Many countries are going down for many things. Guys, you cannot hope on countries. You cannot hope on the government money. You cannot hope on social money. You cannot hope on helping money. Time don't reach when we go wake up for that our slumber, for that our stupid thinking. That as we born, a government will go take care of us. Now government won't take care of your picking for you. Now government won't take care of your needs for you. It don't reach social media and they won't go help you. You know they stock the product. You know they buy the product, make you keep them for your house. No. You know they buy the product, say, as a person when they France won't buy. Now if I not dey France, I don't go fit sell for her. No. This one not be waiting that they call her, not be provision store. When be say person not come your shop, you not go buy. No. Your own, as I dey here in my office. As I dey talk to you now, dey my office. Here when I dey now na my office. Now my office I dey control so if you dey your office, if the company go create your office for you, they'll create a website for you, they'll create a link for you. Where you fit send those your friend, you fit send those people, those customers you get. Oh, my customer, I don't send you this link. You fit order your product for them. If your customer not fit order that product. Now person will not understand how to order those things, because you say, okay, you never do it before, you don't know how. You go put them through. You go help and order the product. The company go deliver the product jejeje to her. All your own na to guide them how you go take the product. And the company go see they send an email. How you take this product? See what you need to take today. See what you need to take tomorrow. See what you need to take next tomorrow. And na free registration though. You know they invest. They not say you can't pay 200 euro before you register. No. And you know how much when many online business they collect to give you website. This company not say you can't pay thousands to collect website. All they want you to do, be a product of a product. Test that product when then they sell. Test that product. Let people see waiting that product they work for your body. No, you know say many people go say, I want lose weight. No, you not feel lose weight when you never clean inside yourself. Your system, you need to clean your system. You need to detox your system first. You need to go take things to detox your system first and wash all those things first. Then you will not start to take weight loss products. If you never detox yourself, sometimes at least any human being when they breathe, every month or every 2 months, every 3 months, is supposed to take detox. At least twice in a month. You go take detox. All those condemn something when we eat, all those nyama, all those rubbish, go flush. Then you go see how our system go come dey free. Space go dey. Breeze go enter. We go breathe well. But you not just say, na money, they make money, they do this, you they make money when you don't feel eat that money. Now, December don't pass. You get people when we promise we not feel meet up because we not know say this kind of thing will come jam. And as this thing they go on, anybody when they do this my business, they get food they put for table. I am telling you, get someone be say month they not fit boast of 100 euro on their personal money. They not fit. You get some a month they not fit boast of 200 euro. And if you they do this our business, you go fit boast of 200. You go fit boast of 100, 300, 400. You go get them. Even common 50 euro na money. People they will not fit get them without their husband. Without the government, they not fit get them. Some go say, I never born. I know they enjoy the Europe. I never born because government know they pay me. Now government money you want it. Now government money you come Europe for. Oh, now people go come say, God, oh, you don't know what thing they happen. The stress is there self. Which stress? That social media when you sit down, you go say, I buy this cloth, I'll go church on Sunday because of this new cloth when I buy. How much will they get? Nothing. I go church, I not fit go church today because I not get new cloth when I go take sample myself for Facebook. All those things when you take, they pay you, they not they pay you. Why you not join this business when they say, as anything when you wear, you sample, you take yourself, then they pay you. You know, say sometimes we Africans they find it difficult. Where I will not want to say as may we can't join this business, may we can't they be like them. My dear, if you can't be them, you join them. And as I am telling you, these people when they say I not feel because I not feel come social media make they do this thing when they do, then they get money. And this life when we dey, you know get who go they work for one company for a year, 2 years, they know they pay me, you know they get money, you go see remain for that company. Maybe no na him go they invest put for that, you go see they there. No one be small picking for here now. You know get who they use in brain now. Now we need to use our brain. This thing they pay. Social media they pay. There is money on social media. There is money on online business. Not let any of your friends when deceive you last year, deceive you this year. If your husband tell you say you not go feed one, prove it to your husband. If your wife tell you say you not go feed one, prove it to your wife say you go feed one. If you say now because of this guys when you they watch now, I make one join this business. Tell her say you won't join this business. To let her know say there is something when these women they do when you are not saying. I see what thing that they do and I won't do it. Okay, your husband will tell you say you won't come join all these women when they tell them say get waiting all these men they do for this social media when you know they do, and I won't do I won't show you say there is something when they do, then they get money they come out for inside. Yes, boys, men, women, my family, my brothers and sisters, say my friends, my fans, there is money on social media. There is something you can do on social media. Believe me, If you are here watching me, life are changing on social media. They are getting money on social media. Don't be left alone. I'm telling you the truth. Guys, help me to share. There is love in sharing. And I love you all. As you join today, may God bless you for sharing this video. Let us save life. Let's change life out there. Let's just do it together. Only my platform cannot change things. Only me cannot change things. Let's work together. So this thing, we will spread it. All we do, inspire healthy living around the world. That is all we do. We don't do any other thing. Just to make people look healthy, make people live a better life, a healthy life, and stay a healthy life. Stay safe. That is all we do. So help me to share, and may God bless you as you share. Love you all. Remain your sister, your friend, your daughter, Mary Anwade.